great to see you. Thanks for joining me today. What are you seeing organizations do both on the industry side and the government side to try to drive innovation that all of the government organizations that are here at this show say they want and are striving for?
Oh, thank you very much for the opportunity today. So I'd like to talk a little bit about how Yubico is supporting the DoD today, a little bit over the horizon, and then what we can continue to do to support those types of innovation. Now, the YubiKey right now is being used as a primary CAC alternative for the DoD, which now supports some of the amazing capabilities that the DoD is making available to reservists, teleworkers, and things like Azure Virtual Desktop and other virtualization capabilities. But the traditional Common Access Card has been a little challenging to use those on mobile devices and personally owned laptops. And so the flexibility of a YubiKey can make it a little bit easier for those service members and remote workers to quickly access DoD resources regardless of the device they have in their hands. But the next step is to continue that phishing-resistant authentication with FIDO2, and that's the next innovative point. Using asymmetric encryption, now very quickly, non-CAC eligible individuals can quickly authenticate into these DoD resources, making it a simple, easy, passwordless experience for folks that don't get issued DoD credentials. And now Yubico is standing by to support all of those innovation efforts within the DoD and intelligence communities to make sure that strong phishing-resistant authentication methods are available to contractors, teleworkers, service members alike.
Yeah, the idea of identity management is, of course, one of the main pillars of the Zero Trust architecture that the department is going for. What do you think that can be as a foundational innovation to allow people in the department, in the IC and others to build on to try to drive innovation throughout the department?
Great question. So where we support Zero Trust today, of course, is that identity pillar, but there are 4 other pillars that also require a certain level of strong authentication, whether it be a data model, devices need to authenticate into a domain, or need to be available to then take an end user credential, things like USB or near field communication. So one could argue that all 5 pillars have a relationship to strong authentication with the right protocol.
Alex, it's great to talk to you. Thanks very much for your time today.
Thank you, Francis. Appreciate it.